So it's finally time to decide who wins the giveaway, and for me to change my back tire. So I'm just gonna gather the last tools and then we're gonna head out and change the tire and see what time I get. I did just realize that my camera wasn't working as I took off the first tire, and the autofocus didn't work as I wanted to while I was showing the time. So I'm sorry, you just have to trust me, and we'll do this again sometime, and then I'm gonna have more time and actually someone to film while I'm doing it. You can say, hey då! Oh, just one more thing. I did forget to tell you that my time was 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Pretty close, Kim. Good guess, and all of you others did think that it was going to take less time for me, so thank you. Maybe next time.